3, 2, 1.
Alright, welcome back to Show Me Trucks. In this video, I'm going to keep working on the 36 GMC, but I also got a bunch of boxes from my friend in Oklahoma. So his dad was cleaning up his shop, had a bunch of extra stuff. So let's see what's in the boxes. I don't even know yet. I only know about one item, and we'll see what it looks like. So let's go. Box number 1. It's a painting stand. Put your parts on. Pretty cool. We'll set that up tomorrow. Uh-oh. What we got? Big old air sander. That's cool. Some sanding blocks. Cool. More sanding blocks. Oh, this is like a big file. Oh, that's cool. He did tell me some of these tools were a little more old school. So hopefully the quality's there. Some more sanding blocks. Now this I knew about and I'm pretty excited. Let's see how to get it out. So if you know, you know. Woo, dirty. Some squirrels lived in it, but that is a, kind of like an air conditioner that sits on the side of your door. Another sander. Die grinder. A little different head on it than you usually see. Hopefully I can find some pins for it. And another sanding block. That's a good box. Say score. Holy cow. Little DA sander. Let's see. Paint gun number 1. I don't know. Sada Jet 90. Looks good. Cool paint gun, another paint gun. I have 0 paint guns, so I'm pretty excited to get any. Holy crap. Bunch of paint guns. I don't know if that's a little, just a little touch-up gun. Cool. I need to wear these more often. Some respirators in the bag still, so I'm sure they're better than the old one that I use all the time that I always forget to put on whenever I'm grinding metal. But I'm gonna try to get better at that. Some more respirators. Man, that's the best. I don't know if that's a painting suit, is what I would assume. Another gun. You must have liked those Sada Jets. I know he used to be a rep for some paint company. Sock hood? I don't know. Again, I'm not a painter, but I'm excited to do that on the Suburban and on the 67 short bed. Oh, that's like a screw-on top. A little different. Oh, that's cool. Some old school measuring out your ratios. Let's see what's in here. Sada. Oh, that's cool. I'm excited to learn. Holy crap. Some sandpaper. Not even open yet. I'm a little curious if that's just like a variety pack or what that is yet. But that looks old. I wonder how old this is. Yeah, he said some of this is from his grandpa owned a shop and then closed it. And so he had got some of his stuff too. Whoa. Oh, cool. A little sanding block, but for, you know, your radiuses. Some more sanding blocks. Crap, an impact. Angle ran. I'm sure that's a good one. Feels a little beefier than the one I already have. A little drill. I had one of these that I got from another guy and it sucked. Man, I've been wanting one of these. Oh, I'm so excited. Just sometimes it'd be nice to have a little pneumatic ratchet for just getting some bolts tight in some hard to get areas. Don't even know what that's for, but some rubber, some metal. Seems like some kind of weather stripping. Not really sure on that one. And then I don't have one of these either, so that's really cool. I don't have a die grinder. Or maybe I did have one, but I haven't had a compressor yet. So I have to check my stash and see, because I haven't had my compressor running in a while. Kind of forgot some of the tools. I already have one of these, but that's nice. Little headlamp. Whoa. I wonder what this goes to. Or a little drill with a little step-up bit on it. More sandpaper. Check. Couple more sanding blocks. Oh, some little files. Those are always handy. And then some tips for the die grinders. A little extractor bit. Cool. Some more hand files. These are way more useful than you ever think. And then the ever-ending can openers for paint. And these are I also use for removing hubcaps. It's really handy to keep one of these in your truck if you're going to buy parts. Oh, I see. These are must be for this tip. Nope, not for that tip. So I don't know how these thread on, but I'm assuming one of these ends they might thread onto there. Oh yeah, just a painting uniform. Cool. And then I would assume this is just a rough cut for Bondo. Yeah, I would assume. Just knock Bondo down. Cool and cool. Like I said, DA. Another sander. And then all these paint guns. That's nuts. Well, to say I'm excited is an understatement. So, really happy he gave me that. You know, it's like a sawhorse for painting. I don't have one of those, and sometimes it'd be nice to throw a panel up on those and work on it instead of finding space in the garage. And then super pumped on this. If you don't know, I have a 51 Chevy Suburban, and to me, that's what these look the best on. This is way better than I thought it was. He had sent me a picture, and I thought it was missing a bunch of parts, but it actually looks really complete. So one day, way down the road, I'll pull that apart. There's a bunch of stuff rattling around in there, so I think there was a nest of something in there. And then, like I said, I will be trying to learn how to do paint and body eventually. I just never have. I would assume this is probably a little better than the cheapest one I bought. A hand long sander. It's cool. I don't have one of these sanders. I do have a DA, so it's always nice to have backup, always. because I know mine even is giving me issues. So it's pretty cool. I have no idea the brand. Looks like it says blue something on there. So who knows? And then all these different paint guns. I wish I knew more about them. I'm going to try to do some research, but Sada Jet 90. I don't know. Another Sada. I'm sure they're all different. I don't know what brand this is, the little tornado. So I'm going to try to look that up. And then this little, I don't know if it's just a touch-up gun or I don't think it's an airbrush gun because it'd be a little smaller, I think, but a little sharp. So super excited. Definitely for a guy like me that doesn't have much money, it's sweet when the older guys help you out and give you some tools because I will learn, restore trucks, keep doing this kind of stuff. So thanks so much to the Sanders family. I really appreciate it.